We are back. Today we are doing sentence combining, and today I've got a new victim with me. Carrie is going to be combining sentences. She's very excited about this, and she has a big interest in narwhals, which I don't believe are real animals. And much like the Southern Ocean, what is that? I don't think that's a real ocean either. But anyhow, we've got two sentences. Narwhals live in the ocean, and narwhals are polar animals. How would you combine this into one well-written sentence we're going to be using capitals, good punctuation, and correct grammar. Do you think you can do it? Go for it. So what we have here is narwhals live in the ocean and are polar animals. So Carrie, do we have capital?
Yes.
Does everything sound right? Narwhals live in the ocean and are polar animals. Sounds right. Do we have punctuation? All right, so that would be one example of sentence combining. What we're doing is putting two sentences together, and then we're putting them together with the right grammar, with punctuation, capitals, and putting the sentence in one well-written form, correct? Does that work for you? I pulled this off of interventioncentral.org and just searched sentence combining. The interesting part about this is there's not a lot of great research about grammatical interventions, but sentence combining seems to be a natural way to get kids to use grammar and to kind of infuse that into their writing. So, hope you can use this, and we will have a couple more examples coming out in the future. Thanks. Bye.